How to use ChatGPT for freelancing or passive income. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to make money online, either through freelancing or even creating passive income. Just make sure to stick with me till the end because I'll show you some real steps you can take today to get started. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk freelancing. If you're on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or even using LinkedIn to find clients, ChatGPT can help you write your gig description, create proposals, and even draft replies to client messages. Let's say you want to offer blog writing. You can literally write a 100-word Fiverr gig description for blog writing that sounds friendly but professional. Boom, you've got a polished professional gig in seconds. And let's say you got a client who wants a blog post on 5 ways to save money in 2025. You just ask, "Hey ChatGPT, give me an outline and an intro for a blog post on this topic." And then you can tweak it, add your personality, and send it to your client. Saves hours. Now for Upwork, go to the job listings, copy a post, and paste it in ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a short proposal for this job. Make it friendly, confident, and tailored. That'll help you stand out and apply to more jobs faster. All right, now let's talk passive income. One way is creating digital products. Here's something practical. Type into ChatGPT, "Give me 10 profitable ebook ideas for new parents." Pick one, then ask it. Write a full outline for an ebook titled Sleep Hacks for New Parents. Then use ChatGPT to generate content for each chapter. You can clean it up, design it in Canva or Google Docs, and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. So there you go. Whether you're freelancing or setting up passive income, ChatGPT is like your creative sidekick that helps you do everything faster and more professionally. If this video helped you out, hit the like, subscribe for more guides or tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one.